I see a lot of people that kind of get discouraged because some bullshit may happen in the midst of their career or whatever. Shouldn't allow you to stop from doing anything. You should just fucking keep going and stepping on whoever's in your way. Just stay true to yourself. Believe in your shit. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you see or you hear, you use that. You know? That's how I feel. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to get to where you need to get to and they ain't on your side with it or whatever, and it's the opposition of whatever, step on that shit. You know what I'm saying? That could be any obstacle that you're dealing with in life, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever turmoil that you may be dealing with. You know what I'm saying? I advise you niggas keep stepping on whatever the fuck is in your way. I'm just saying that metaphorically. So, you know what I'm saying? Just don't get down in this shit. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have your ups and your downs and everything else, you know what I'm saying? But don't let that shit keep you down. You just keep going, keep stepping. That's all you can do. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's going to do this shit for you but you. The best thing to do besides complain is maintain. You know what I'm saying? So just stay on top of your game with this shit. Stay creative. Keep your ears open, like I say, your eyes peeled, and just keep pushing the envelope. Don't be scared of nothing. Don't be scared of heights.